We'll guide you through how to video call on any Samsung. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I really like video calling as it's a lot more intimate than a normal call because you can go and see someone's face and also they can go and show you around. So you can go and have overall a better calling experience and it's more personal. We're going to guide you through this. It's important to note we will be using the internet for this. So to go and do this, you want to go and swipe up like so and start looking for your apps. So we need to open up contacts, not the traditional contacts app. We need to go and use this contacts, which is actually Google Contacts. If you haven't got it on your phone, you can search for it at the top. What you'll need to do is go and open up the Play Store on your device and you can go and search for contacts and get the contacts app, which is like this. When you've got it, open it up. And what you need to do is go and find who you want to go and video call. I want to do Rob here, so I'll go and tap on it like so. I'll just do this to go and hide the number. Then you'll go and see the option for video and you can tap and hold it. You may have different options here. I could try using Meet or WhatsApp, so you can use your preferred option. I'll try using Meet. Let's go and say it didn't work. We can always go back and use WhatsApp. So I can't do it in this case, so I'll come back. Then what I'll do is tap and hold it. I'll go and select WhatsApp. If you don't have the option for WhatsApp, you need to go and get WhatsApp. It's free, you can use it. Then what we can do is try making the call. And as you can see, we're now video calling.